I have been wanting to get one of these for so long, 4 or 5 years at least. I finally got one. Went to the Knife and Blade Show, the world's largest knife and blade show here in Atlanta. Purchased this, received it in the mail today, and I'm going to show you what I have. Just one second and I'll readjust the camera. I'll be right back. This is just an unboxing video. I'm going to have future videos on how to actually use this. Let's go ahead and cut this open. See the name on the side, the Nook. And some of you may know this is professional portable cases. Let's open this up, pull this out of here. There you go, it's got a handle right here. There you go, try to put this in focus in the camera. Wrapped in this plastic bag. Pull this out. Okay. Right here is carry handle. In here is a handle for rolling. This cart has 2 wheels on the bottom. This side has another carry handle. So, what's in here? What is in here? Let me lay it down right here. This is the Wicked Edge Pro Pack 3 knife sharpener. Trying to get the zoom in. There we go. There's the emblem on the case. Crack this thing open and go over what we have in here. Okay, this is the front of the case right here. Nice, really nice locking latches here. There we go. Turn it around this way. Wicked Edge Pro Pack 3 Professional Knife Sharpening System. Let me give a zoom while we're doing this. Whoops. There we go. Here's all the ingredients in this case. So I'm going to take the camera. No, I'm just going to readjust the camera and I'm going to put it over here. And we're going to go through and see what's in this case. Let me see if I can get y'all adjusted a lot better. What's in this case? I'm going to sit down on the floor with this. Here's instruction manuals. These are the bars that will go on the machine itself. There's 2 of these. Here's a Wixie digital caliper. We have some 4-micron diamond emulsion, and we have 2-micron polycrystalline diamond emulsion. Let's just put those back in the case right here where they go. Now, they're kind of loose in there. Let me put it back in this. I can make it a little bit tighter. Put that back in there. And here we go. So I can see right now I'm going to have to put some rubber bands or something around this so they'll stay tight in the case. Okay, here we have the different grinding or honing tips. Start with these. This is a 200 to 100 grit. These two right here. 400 and 600 grit. These two. 800 to 1000 grit. Green and white ones. 1500 to fine, which is looks to be like a ceramic or a glass. And these two are the 2 mil and 4 mil strops. And this case does have extra holes if you want to add on to this. Here is the marble base for this system. So like I said, this is more of an introduction to this, not really a how-to, but we're going to get into that in a different video. Now this thing, professional grade knife sharpener kit, they're not cheap. So if you want to see more of the cost on these, go to wickededge.com, wickededge.com. Check out what they have on their website. They have several different configurations on these knife sharpeners. But like I said, I've been saving for one of these for several years. I finally got one, and I'm hoping that it pays for itself within a year or so. Then the rest will be pure profits. Check out wickededge.com. Look at them on his other YouTube videos, and please watch out for our other upcoming knife sharpening videos. I do appreciate you being here.